5 ways to make money on Instagram. You've probably heard stories of Instagrammers cashing in on the pictures they snap and share every day. You might have even looked at your own sizable following and thought, maybe I can do that full-time too. Before getting into the depth of today's topic, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so you'll keep getting notifications from us. How many Instagram followers do you need to make money? If by now you're wondering how many followers you need to start bringing in real revenue, the short answer is not as many as you think. Top Instagrammers make thousands of dollars with their following in millions. But still, an Instagrammer with 1,000 following have a chance of making money too. It actually depends on the engagement, not the numerical value. Ways of making money. Number 1. Work with brands on sponsored content. The term Instagram influencer gets thrown around a lot these days. An influencer is basically anyone who's built themselves an online reputation by doing and sharing awesome things online. To their audiences, influencers are tastemakers, trendsetters, and trusted experts whose opinions about certain subjects are respected. Many brands just can't compete with that, so they partner with influencers on sponsored content like posts and stories that help get the word out about their products. But it's not just the follower count and reach of your Instagram account that brands want. It's your audience's trust and engagement with high-quality content. It can be hard to balance your revenue as an influencer and your integrity as a creator. But if you're not relying on your Instagram marketing income to stay afloat, you always have the freedom to be selective about the brands you work with, just as brands will be selective about the Instagrammers they work with. In starting, your rates should be low, but with time you can increase it accordingly. Number 2. Become an affiliate. Unlike an influencer, an affiliate is more invested in making sales for the partner brand, not just generating awareness, but in exchange for a commission. This is typically done with a trackable link or unique promo code to ensure clicks actually translate into sales. Use a mix of clickable links in your Instagram profile bio and Instagram stories using the swipe up feature or through stickers. Since you can't put links in Instagram posts, you can create promo codes so you can make money from different angles. Consider reaching out to one of the many online merchants offering affiliate programs, or you can explore popular marketplaces like ClickBank, Amazon affiliates, and reward styles. Though it sounds like a numbers game, affiliate marketing is also an art, and you'll have a better chance at success if you have a plan going into it and expand your online presence to include a website and other marketing channels. Number 3. Open your own e-commerce store. By now, it might sound like the only way for an Instagrammer to make money is to sell out and work with other brands. But creators of all kinds are in a good position to sell out with their own products, like physical goods, services, or digital items that can be an extension of their brand, building a business with an audience at its center. By selling your own stuff, you don't need to worry about integrating messages from other brands into your posting strategy. Better yet, you can get your own brand out there on the products you sell. Fans can show their love and support your work by buying from you, a purchase they can feel good about. It is a passive income idea that things you are selling are getting purchased even when you are sleeping. It's a bit difficult to sell worldwide, but you can start from your own country and then maybe you can expand your business. Number 4. Set up Instagram shopping. First of all, it's different from e-commerce stuff. The past few years have been huge for e-commerce brands and creators who want to sell on social media. Instagram has released a ton of features under the Instagram shopping umbrella, which allows people to easily shop your business videos and images on the platform. It all starts with an Instagram shop, aka your storefront. There you can share your story and sell products. Instagram provides a sleek experience for shoppers to browse and buy your collections. All you need to set up Instagram shopping is a business or creator account. You can customize your shop by creating collections or curated products presented in themes. Common themes include new arrivals, gifts, or seasonal trends. Just like your online store, you can also create product description pages in your shop. Here you can include all relevant product information like pricing and descriptions. You can send people to your website to complete a purchase or let them buy through the app using Instagram checkout. And lastly, at number 5, sell your photos online or on things. Someone might get famous on Twitter by telling 140-character jokes, but Instagram is a photo sharing app at its core. And photos are assets that can be licensed, printed, and sold in a variety of ways. If photography is what got you into the Instagram game in the first place, you can list your photos in marketplaces like 500px or 2020, where brands and publishers might license them. However, you can also sell your photos as prints and on other physical products using a similar method described in the last section. Services like Printful and T-Launch let you put your photos on posters, phone cases, pillows, and more, taking care of fulfilling orders and customer service. So all you really need to worry about is making sales. Take the story of Daniel Arnold, who, according to an interview in Forbes, went from eating toast 3 meals a day to making $15,000 in 24 hours by offering to sell prints of his popular but controversial photos. If you've already got the demand, all you need to do is take the initiative and offer your audience the opportunity to buy your photography from you. For all these things discussed in the video, you need to be consistent. Without consistency, you are not gonna open the doors of success. This was it for today's video. Make sure you subscribe and like the video and tell us in the comment section about your opinion.